Hi, welcome to Foodalicious. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe. I'll be adding 2 new recipes every week. Most of them are very quick and easy to make. Today let's learn how to make Khara Boondi mixture. Usually buy this at the store, but it is so easy that we can make it right at home. And we know all the ingredients which we use to prepare this. So let's get started. First I've taken 250 grams of besan or chickpea flour. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 cup melted butter. This gives a nice crunch to the boondi. Now mix everything well. Now add water little by little and mix it and make it into a nice batter. It should be like dosa batter consistency. It shouldn't be too runny or too thick. Make sure there are no lumps also. Using this ladle, we'll just pour the batter onto it and let it drip through the holes into the hot oil. Using a spoon, just spread the batter so that it evenly drips through the holes. Fry the boondi till we get a golden brown color until they are nice and crunchy. When we take out some boondi and just shake it a little, we can hear that crunchy sound. That's when we can take the boondi out. Now for the mixture, we'll also need some peanuts. This is totally optional. Fry the peanuts for 4 to 5 minutes till they get that nice crunch. Keep them aside. Now add some fresh curry leaves to the hot oil and fry them for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, take out the curry leaves and keep them aside as well. Now to the boondi, add fried peanuts and curry leaves. Now this has to be done quickly when it is hot. So add 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Now mix everything well. When everything is hot, it's easier for the masalas to stick and coat everything properly. Now our Khara Boondi mixture is ready. It's far better than the store-bought ones. It is fresh and made at home. It's fantastic for an evening time snack. So try it out. And if you like it, please like my video and share it with friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe to Foodalicious. Thank you.